Okay, so we start with the question from 2020 internal, which was evaluate -3 minus -5. So what you do is I'm going to write this expression down. Then in this expression you need to take note of the minus in between there. First of all, you need to deal with brackets. We remove brackets. So as you can see, where there is minus there, where I've underlined with lead marker, that negative, you presume that it is -1. That minus sign should be -1. So it's more or less like this. So -1. So we are going to multiply. First of all, I'm going to write -3. Then I'm going to multiply -1 by -5, which will give us +5. Then I'm going to work out that expression, which is -3 plus 5, which will give us 2. So 2 was the correct answer. Let's go to the next question. Okay, this question is coming from 2020 external. That is the paper for external 2020, and the question was, find the value of 3 multiplied by -7. Find the value of 3 multiplied by -7. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write this expression down here. So in this question, they are testing to see if you know the properties of multiplying integers. Like when you multiply a positive by a positive, the answer you get is a positive. When you multiply a negative by a negative, the answer you get is positive. When you multiply a negative by a positive, the answer you get is a negative. And when you multiply a positive by a negative, or a negative by a positive, the answer you get is what? Negative. So these are the properties that were supposed to be used here. Now, as you can see, 3 is a positive and 7 is a negative. That means the answer we're going to get should be a negative. So 3 by 7 will give us -21, because 3 by 7, that is 21. So since 7 is a negative, the answer will be a negative. So that was the answer. Let's go to the next question. Okay, this is the question that came in 2019 internal. So the question was, evaluate 6 minus -3. Evaluate 6 minus -3. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write this expression down here. Now I urge you viewers to pause this video. Pause this video now, solve this so that we see what you can get. Since we are at question number 3 in this video. So pause this video and see how we can work it out. You compare with how I'll work it out. Okay, I presume you did. Now let's get started solving it. So what you need to do is you need to consider the minus sign between between 6 and the bracket. That means this one, the one I've underlined. So that minus is -1. So you can also put 1 there. So it's -1. So we are going to write 6. Then we multiply. -1 multiplied by -3 will give us +3, which is +3. Then we are going to add 6 plus 3 will give us 9. Okay, so 9 was the correct answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, so this question came in 2018 internal. The question was, evaluate -4 plus -10. Evaluate -4 plus -10. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this expression down here. Okay, so before I do anything, I want you viewers to pause this video, find the answer for this question, pause it and work it out. After I work it out, then play the video so that you can see how you are supposed to do it, or if you have done it correctly. Okay, I presume you have worked it out, and remember to write your answer you get in the comment section. Okay, now so what you need to do now is we're going to presume here where there's a plus sign, that is +1. So what we need to do is we need to put 1 there. Once we have put 1 there, so the next thing we're going to do is we are going to write -4. Then we multiply +1 multiplied by -10 will give us -10. You should know that when you multiply two numbers with different signs, they will give you the negative answer. So it's going to be -10. Then -4 minus -10 will give us -14. So -14 was the correct answer. Let's go to the next question. Okay, so this is the question that came in 2017 internal, and the question was evaluate -5 plus -3. Okay, so what you need to do is you write the expression down. Okay, pause the video, work this one out, and write the answer in the comment section. After finding your answer, then you can pray it so that you see how you are supposed to work it out. Okay, I presume you have done that. So what we need to do is we need to presume that here where there is plus sign there is 1, and then since there is 1, then we're going to write -5, then we multiply +1 multiplied by -3 will give us -3. Then we're going to say -5 minus 3, which will give us -8. Okay, so that was the answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, our next question is coming from 2016 internal paper, and the question was find the value of 10 minus -3. So 10 minus -3, we are supposed to find the value of that expression. So as usual, I'm going to write that expression down. I expect you viewers to pause this video, work this question out, write the answers in the comment section. I presume you have paused and worked it out. Now let's go ahead. So what we're going to do is where there is a negative, we're going to put 1 there. We're going to presume that that is -1, so it's going to be -1. Then we are going to write first 10 down. Once we have done that, then we're going to multiply -1 multiplied by -3, which will give us +3. Then we are going to add 10 plus 3 will give us 13. So 13 was the correct answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, this question came in 2015 internal, and the question was evaluate -2 plus -8. Okay, so as usual, I'm going to write this expression down. Okay, so now we are going to evaluate -2 plus -8. Okay, pause this video, work this one out, write the answer in the comment section. Okay, I presume you paused the video and you found the answer which you wrote in the comment section. Okay, once you have done that, now let's solve this one. Okay, so we are going to presume that where there is plus -2 plus, now where there is plus, that's there is +1 here. Where there is plus, there is actually +1. So first I'm going to write -2, then +1 multiplied by -8 will give us -8, which I'm going to write down there. Then -2 minus 8, which will give us -10. So -10 was the answer. Okay, let's go to the next question.